In today's video, I want to guide you on how to insert a picture into one document just like what you see on the screen. So let's dive into the process. So let me delete this one by just click on it and tap on the delete button. Now you have yourself at this place and you have to add a picture into this. Come to this insert button, click on it. Now from there you see picture, click on the arrow at the base of picture. Then you can select your picture from online picture or from your device. So I have some pictures stored on my device which I have downloaded. Then click on this button. Now here I have two pictures here. I want to pick this red one. Click on this, then click on insert button. Once you click on insert button, it comes out like this. You can see that it's here and it's big. I don't like it. The first thing you have to do is to resize this. Just put your mouse at the edge and drag it upward or drag it like this. It's going to resize this picture for you. Now that I've resized this picture to suit your text, then come over to this place on the format here. Don't forget that you are under the picture format here. Now once you click on the picture format here under here you see position. Click on this drop down arrow. Then you have different position here. You have 9 positioning, and here is what it looks like. So let's click on this one. This is top right. When you click on that one, it comes out like this and it's not that okay. Now just over your mouse to it until you bring out this logo, then click on it and drag to whatever place you want it to be at the side here. Now you can now resize this to suit your purpose. Now let me resize it a little bit. So that's all guys, you've been able to insert picture in MX. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.